Hello students, welcome to another lecture series of Vedic mathematics. In this session we are going to discuss about the third sutra of Vedic mathematics, that is Urdhva Tiryabhyam, means multiplying the numbers vertically and crosswise. With this Vedic mathematics sutra, multiplication becomes very easy and you will come to the results very quickly and accurately. So Urdhva Tiryabhyam means vertically and crosswise. Now let us see an example. If you want to multiply 15 and 25, what you will do? In a traditional mathematics, you will first perform multiplication of this 15 with a 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, and 5 1s are 5 to 7, then 2 5s are 10, carries 1, and 2 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and carry 1 goes to 3. So that final answer is 375. So it involves 2 multiplications and 3 additions. Now let us see the same thing, that is how I am going to do it in a Urdhva Tiryabhyam method. 15 25 multiply. So if you want to get the first digit, then you have to multiply this right hand side 2 digits. 5 into 5 25. Then if you want to get the second digit, multiply it crosswise and add them. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Now the third digit will come by multiplying the leftmost 2 digits. 2 into 1, 2. Now take this and write down the 5, and this is 2 is a carry. Just move this carry to the next digit. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 7 you have just write down, and the carry is 1, and just move the carry to the third digit. 375 is the answer. Just see here. This is the beauty of this vertical and crosswise method in Vedic mathematics. I will explain you the step-by-step procedure, so that once you are aware of this procedure, then doing vertical and crosswise method is very easy. Here it's a 2-digit number by 2-digit number. So 2-digit number. I am representing 2 digits with 2 dots in the top and in the bottom row. Now it is of 2 by 2 matrix form. The first digit is obtained. By multiplying the digits vertically. The right hand side part, rightmost digits, and place it here. The first digit. Second digit will come by multiplying crosswise and add them. So multiplying crosswise and add them, so that the second digit will come. And for third digit, we have to do the multiplication of the leftmost 2 digits. So now the same procedure that I have done with this 15 into 25 or 25 into 15. So what I have done? 5 into 5, 25. 25 will come. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 15 will come. And then 2 1s are 2. So just move these carries in this direction from right to left. 5, 15 plus 2 17, 1 carry is there, 375. This carry 1 will move here, 375 will come. So this is for any kind of number. Now I explain you with another example, so that you will understand it better. Take another example. Now just perform the multiplication of some 37 into 43. 37 into 43. In a traditional method, you already know in Vedic method 37, 43. 7 3 is 21, 1 just write down, 2 is the carry, 3 3 is 9, 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 9, 37, 38, 39. 3 is the carry now. 3 4 is 12, 3 15. So the answer is 1591. Just by seeing and by making the calculations in mind, we come to the answer 1591. Shall we perform the same in traditional mathematics so that you can cross check it whether it is correct or not, and how much time it will take to perform traditional method and how much time it will take to perform Vedic method of multiplication. 3 7 is 21, 2 is the carry, 3 3 is 9, 11, then 4 7 is 28, 2 is the carry, the same carry I am writing there, 4 3 is 12, 2 14. Now just add that. The answer we arrived is correct both in case of traditional mathematics and in case of Vedic mathematics. But by performing the multiplication of 37 into 43 in Vedic mathematics, you come to the answer very quickly, accurately. Can you perform the same method for some examples so that it will become practice for you? Now perform 75 into 83. It is just a homework for you. Now second, 37 into 49. Third, 56 into 23. Just perform the same operations that I have explained previously, and till getting a practice you will feel somewhat difficult, but once you are aware of this procedure, definitely you will like the Vedic way of doing a multiplication. You see, these two digits are represented with the two dots. First digit, first digit of the answer in the right hand side will come by multiplying the rightmost two digits in the vertical column. That's why the name it came as vertically and crosswise. Second digit will come like this by multiplying crosswise and add them. Third digit will come by multiplying the leftmost vertical digits, so that you will come to the answer. Shall I perform 56, 23 now? 6 3 is 18, 1 is the carry, 6 2 is 12, 5 3 is 15, 15 12, 27 1, 28, 2 is the carry, 5 2 is 10, 10 12. So 1288 is the answer. Just by seeing with the less calculations we come to the answer directly. Perform the same so that you will also experience the power of Vedic mathematics. Now this is the thing with 2 by 2 digits. Now if you want to multiply the 3-digit number, multiply by 3-digit number, the same procedure has to repeat, like 1 2 3 into 1 2 3. So now just represent those numbers with those digits with the dots. Here it is the matrix form 2 by 3. Once you understand the procedure, then it will become easy for you to perform the calculations. How the first digit will come? By multiplying the rightmost vertical column, multiplying the digits, and then the second digit will come by moving crosswise. The third digit will come, this is the first digit, this is the second digit, third digit will come by multiplying vertically and crosswise. And the fourth digit will come by multiplying this pattern. This is the third digit, this is the fourth digit, and the fifth digit will come by multiplying the leftmost two digits. So now shall we perform the same? I am writing 1 2 3 1 2 3 just for the sake of easy understanding. So the first digit will come 3 into 3 9, only one digit came. Now crosswise, second digit will come by multiplying these 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, so 12 will come. Now the third digit will come 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 6 plus 4 10. Then now here multiplying 1 into 2 1 into 2, 4 will come, plus 1 into 1 1. So the answer is 9. ఇక్కడ 2 అలాగే వస్తుంది, క్యారీ 1 ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, సో 11 అవుతుంది అక్కడ. సో 1 అలాగే ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 1 క్యారీ ఇక్కడ మూవ్ అయిపోతుంది, సో 5. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 15,129 is the answer. Perform the same. Just how many calculations I have done? 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5 calculations, that too we have done in the mind. Just perform the same thing in a Vedic, in a traditional method, so that you will understand it better. Now write down 123 into 123, multiply it. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, then 1 3 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. So now 9 12 10 11 5 1, 15,129. Just see how many calculations are required. 3 times multiplication and then 5 times additions. 1 2 3 4 5. In a Vedic mathematics, it saves the time, it saves the effort, and it gives the result quickly. In a computer examination, what is important? In computer examination, time is the most important factor, and you should do maximum number of questions in a less time, that too with accurately. If you cannot come to the correct answer, then negative marking also will impact you. So if you know the multiplication technique in this Vedic mathematics, then definitely you can save the time and you can pass the examination with flying colors. Now suppose if it is a 3 by 3 digit, I will give you some homework questions, so that perform 793 into 437. Just estimate how much time it is taking to calculate in this method and in traditional method. 456 into 3 21, and then third 139 into 723. Just perform these 3 multiplications, so that you will get an idea how to perform this multiplications in Vedic mathematics. Just see, in case of 2 by 2 digit number by 2 digit number, how many digits are coming at the result? 3 digits maximum. In case of this 3 digit by 3 digit, how many digits are coming in the answer? So 5 digits. Suppose there is a multiplication of 4 digit number by 4 digit number, 1 2 3 4 by 5 6 7 8. How many digits of answers it will come? Yes, it is a 7 digits answer. 7 digits or 8 digits, depends. Just see, now I am representing the digits with the dots for the sake of easy understanding. Now it is a 2 by 4 matrix. So first digit will come, first digit will come by multiplying the rightmost vertical column. The second digit will come by multiplying, by increasing crosswise and add. And then third digit will come further increasing crosswise and vertically, this fashion. So multiplying and adding them all. Fourth digit will come by multiplying the extreme corners. Yes, are you getting? So the fourth digit will come by multiplying the extreme corners and between middle corners, so that the fourth digit will come. The fifth digit will come by multiplying in this fashion. The sixth digit will come by multiplying these two, and the seventh digit will come by multiplying the leftmost vertical digits. So shall we perform this in a Vedic way? What is the multiplication given? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall we perform now? So 8 4 ja 32, first digit came. The second, 7 4 ja 28, 8 3 ja 24, 24 22, 24 28 52. Then third, 8 2 ja 16, 6 4 ja 24, 7 3 ja 21. How much is that? 10 11 6, 61 will come. That is the third digit. The fourth digit will come by 8 1 ja 8, 5 4 ja 20, 7 2 ja 14, then 6 3 ja 18. So now 28, 38, 46, 50, 60 will come. Now fifth digit will come by 7 1 ja 7, 5 3 ja 15, then 6 2 ja 12, 27, 34. Now sixth digit will come by 5 2 ja 10, 6 1 ja 6, 16 will come. Seventh digit will come by 5 1 ja 5. So now if you write down the digits 5, 16, 34, 60, 61, 52, 32, and now just perform it by taking the carries to the next digit. So 2, just write down the 2, 3 is the carry, 52 plus 3, 55, 5 is the carry, 61 plus 5, 66, 6 is the carry, carry will move into like this. Here 5 comes like this, 3 comes like this. Then 66, another 6 will come, 34 plus 6, 40, 4 will come, 4, 16 plus 4, 20, 2 will come, so 2 will come here, plus 2, this is plus 4, this is plus 6, something like that. So the answer is 70,06,652. Perform the same in general, traditional mathematics, so that same answer will come, but it takes more time. I hope you understood the concept clearly. The third sutra of Vedic mathematics, that is Urudha Tiryabhyam. In this we are going to multiply the digits in the number vertically and crosswise and will calculate the answer. I hope you are clear with the concept. Then once you start practicing this method, you will come to the answer quickly, so that getting the multiplications answers very easy. For the sake of your understanding, just perform these two problems as a part of your homework. So 4,397 multiplied by 2,937. this is the one, and 7937 multiplied by 3472. Just perform these two multiplications, then you will get a clear idea about how this sutra will work on multiplying this kind of numbers. I hope this is enough for today, and in the next chapter we will discuss another sutra of Vedic mathematics for our quicker calculations. There, I already said you that Vedic mathematics is the gift given from the Indian Vedas, that is Atharvana Veda. If you are familiarized with this sutras in Vedic mathematics, definitely it will help us in solving a mathematical problems quickly. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, and we will meet you in the next lecture series with another interesting topic. Thank you.